In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Steam group and edit it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your own community space on Steam and understand the key details you'll be able to change later. First, make sure you're signed into Steam either in your web browser or the desktop app. Up at the top right, hover your mouse over your profile name. When you do this, a drop-down menu appears. This is where Steam keeps shortcuts to your profile, friends, and community features. From that menu, click Groups. This opens your Groups hub, where you can see communities you've already joined, and more importantly, create a new one. Look for the option to create a group and click it. You're now on the setup page where you'll fill in the essentials. Start with your group name, then click Check Availability. Pick something clear and memorable that reflects your community's purpose. Avoid special characters that might not display well, and try to keep it concise. If the name is taken, tweak the wording, add a unique descriptor, or try a different variation until Steam confirms it's available. Next, enter your abbreviation and click Check Availability again. This short tag is what appears next to members' names in some places on Steam, so keep it simple and readable. Usually 2 to 5 letters works well. Uppercase letters help with clarity, and avoiding symbols ensures it displays consistently. Then add your group link and click Check Availability. This is the custom part of your group's URL, the link you'll share with others. Choose something short, easy to spell, and distinctive. Stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens, and avoid personal or sensitive information. Because this link is public-facing, it's worth taking an extra moment to get it right. Once your name, abbreviation, and link all show as available, click Create. Steam will process your request, and in a moment, your new group will be live. After creation, you'll see your group's homepage. From here, you'll find controls to edit the group's profile and settings. This is where you can update the name or abbreviation if you need a polish, refine the custom link, add an avatar and banner, write a clear description, and adjust who can join or post. Treat this area as your command center for fine-tuning how your community looks and feels over time. That's it. Your Steam group is created and ready to grow. Take a moment to verify the details you set, then personalize the profile so new members instantly understand what your group is about. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your community.